Hey everyone! To create a drop shadow on Adobe Photoshop, first you will need to select the layer where you want to add your drop shadow to. You're going to right click on the layer and you're going to select blending options. From here, you're going to go to where it says drop shadow. You're going to check off the drop shadow box. You're going to click where it says drop shadow, and here you're going to have options as to how you want your drop shadow to look. For this example, I want to do a small shadow. So on my blend mode, I have it set to normal with a black color. I want my shadow to be black with an opacity of 54% at a 90-degree angle. The distance, I have it at 8px, a spread of 25%. Size, I put 8px. On the contour, I have it linear with 0% noise. I'm going to hit OK so you can see, and that is one shadow. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing for the text. I'm going to select the layer, right click, and I already have my preset of the drop shadow, so I'm just going to click it off so you can see I have it the same. I'm going to hit OK, and that is how you create a drop shadow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on Adobe.